Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Caleb, with Caleb Smells Vacuums again today, and, well, figured I'd bring you a little vacuum update video, but we'll cut this one down to just my hoovers, because you'll be amazed at the number of hoovers I've got. So, let's start off with Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series. Where are you? There we are. Hoover Concept 1, Hoover Legacy, Hoover Turbo Power, Hoover Spirit, Hoover Runabout Triple Filtration, Hoover Elite 600, for Elite 642, Hoover Elite 2 640 toilet cleaning system, Hoover Z700, Hoover Wind Tunnel Parts Machine, Hoover Decade 80 with Dirt Cup, Hoover Model 28, Hoover Dial-O-Matic, Convertible Deluxe, Hoover Convertible, and then probably my favorite Hoover Convertible, this one. So that's an overview of 2 whole rows of nothing but Hoover. So, thanks for
nobody does it like you.